Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to troubleshoot playing audio issues on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to just go down on this page and select the update and security tile. On the left side, you want to select troubleshoot. And then on the right side, you want to select additional troubleshooters. And now underneath get up and running, select playing audio, find and fix problems with playing sound, and select run the troubleshooter. And give us a moment to run. And then I recommend following along with any of the recommendations it prompts here, and then just continue on with the wizard. And then hopefully your issue should be resolved once you're done going through the steps here. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.